Hello everyone and welcome to another Feed Army video. My name is Emmanuel and today we're going to discuss what you need to do if you get an issue in Google Merchant Center that says product page unavailable. So if we have a look into the account itself, we can see here that there are quite a lot, 10% of products basically that have product page unavailable. This is actually not really an issue regarding to your website. This is an issue within Google Merchant Center that they cannot connect to your website, and that can be all sorts of issues such as DNS issues, or Google's bot is having errors that they trying to connect but can't connect. But in 99% of the cases, if the products don't increase too much, then this is an issue with Google itself. If, for example, it's all your products, then that will be, of course, an issue with your website. So what you want to do is go to Products, Needs Attention tab, and then click on the product page unavailable, the View Products button. And then when you click on it, you will get these listed here. What you do is click on one of the products. You don't need to click on every single product, just one of them. And then you will enter this page, so the product details. What you want to do is go and click on Review and Fix in the top right corner. That will bring you to the Needs Attention tab for that specific product. What you want to do is scroll down till you see Request Website Check. When you click on this, then request the check. Then within 24 hours, these issues should disappear. However, these issues will reappear after a few days, or even the next day. So don't be alarmed that this is a website issue. Yes, this is annoying, and yes, all your ads will stop working in Google Ads, but this is an issue with Google Merchant Center. My recommendation is to contact Google support if you want to submit feedback regarding this issue. So that's it. All you have to do is just request a review for the website check, and then within 24 hours these products will be approved again. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to reach out or leave a comment downstairs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.